We're at a pivotal moment for civilization. AI is driving humanity into a new era of energy demand. How do we bring civilization to its next level of prosperity? The answer is a future energy system. Infinite, intelligent, and accessible to all. Across wind, solar, storage, batteries, hydrogen, and AI, we are not simply building products, but integrating them into one intelligent system. A system where green power becomes the foundation of green manufacturing. A system that turns green electricity into green molecules, carrying clean energy across oceans. A system that breaks the energy limits of computing, turning green power into green intelligence. And the value of these systems go far beyond technology. In Southeast Asia, wind and storage bring power to remote communities, unlocking education and opportunity. In Africa, off-grid energy lights villages beyond the reach of the grid, unlocking resilience and local growth. In Ulaanbaatar, clean energy brings warmth through -45-degree winters, unlocking comfort and security. In France, green manufacturing is revitalizing old industrial regions, unlocking jobs, skills, and long-term partnership. This is how energy becomes prosperity. This is how we build the next chapter of civilization. Shaping future energy systems.